Why is this in a kid's booklet? Dude, he's so cursing. Assalamualaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be another toy review. This time it is a classic toy. Yes, you guessed it. It's the one and only Lego. Finally, I have my very own Lego set. Finally. Now, Lego is one of those cult classics. They've earned their spot as the #1 toy. The possibilities are endless with what you can do with the Lego. This one is ages 4 and up. Okay, close enough. Now on the box you can see you have to assemble. It says 1, 2, 3 and go! Oh, this kid looks like he's having a lot of fun. They're showing you, like, you know, it actually moves once you assemble it. And then some stuff. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wow. Okay. So 2 things came out. This must be the tractor itself. What is this called? I don't know what it's called. So this is a front and backhoe loader. You can see the picture here. I'm checking online. And the second packet has like some construction site stuff. And the big packet contains the actual thing we're supposed to assemble. Okay, and a booklet. So let's do #1. We have the base here. Let's put in this first. Leave space at the back. Meaning you're putting it like this, so there's space at the back. Then you're supposed to take this with the 3 sides in front. Done. Then you have these black ones here. They go on each side as shown in the diagram. 1 and 2. Then we have this. So step #1 is complete. Step #2. Okay, so then we put in this. And then we have a brick. This will go here. And this is where the operator sits. So it's gonna be like this. Now we assemble the front part. It will go in these 3 slots here. Like so. And then a small one, you can see, attaches here. And this moves. Again, on the other end, for #2, we put it here. Long one, I have a long here. Okay, so 1 long arm, then a medium one, medium arm, and then a short arm. And then you have the short arm, and then this part, #2, is complete. #3, we just put in the front part. The large one will go in the front, like that. And the small one will go at the back. But it will not go like this. It will go like this. That looks like a scorpion. Rah. No, scorpions don't say that. So this is for picking up and dumping the stuff. And this is for excavating. That's pretty cool. Like the movements are really cool. Okay, and the third part, we also need to add in the tires. Back one, large ones. The large wheels go in the front. The small ones go other side. Other side. Done. This will go at the top. Lights. And now for the exhaust pipe, this will go on the side here. Yay, it's almost done. We have the operator. Check out the detail. Hey, get back to work. Hey, you, get back to work. The last part is a stand with the Men at Work sign. I wish there were 2 stands. That would be cool. Time to make it work. So here is the operator. Let's put him in. Beep, 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 beep. Do, 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 do. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, constructive comments, and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for the support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.